trail's slicker than I expected.
Yeah, but check that out.
Whoa.
That's the one the ranger was talking about.
It's massive. Look at the bark.
Feels like it's been here forever.
It makes you feel tiny, huh?
Ground soft to hold. Think we can sit up here?
Yeah, roots make a natural wall. Look at this texture.
Cold's biting though. You see your breath?
Sure do. Adds to the mood.
Let's check the other side before we commit.
Lead the way.
I'll spread it from my side. Watch the roots.
Got it. Dry enough. That'll burn nice. Need a couple more maybe. This'll do.
Gotcha. The fire's born.
It's starting to roll.
It smells clean already.
Here, warm your cup.
Thanks.
Handful of grains, it'll thicken it right up.
Simple works best out here.
Yeah, give it a minute. There it goes, catching little by little. Let the smoke roll. Feed it slow. Give it air. Look at that. That's a fire now.
Rolling steady now.
You can feel the heat just standing near it.
Little taste.
Sure.
Thicker with each pinch of grain.
Perfect for a cold night like this.
Give it a minute to settle.
Stars came out quick.